Dear students, today I'll discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter Chemical Energetics. First question is, the work done during expansion of a gas from a value of 4 dm³ to 6 dm³ against a constant external pressure of 3 atmosphere is what? You see, work done, question number 1, work done is equal to minus P delta V. Negative sign is due to the work is done on this is work is done by the system on the surrounding, that is expansion. So you put here P value minus 3 V, V2 minus V1, 6 minus 4, that is your minus 6 liter atmosphere, but 1 liter atmosphere is equal to this much. So 6 multiplied 101.32, minus sign is here, so you will get minus 608 joule. Choice B is the correct answer. Next, standard enthalpy change and standard entropy change for the oxidation of ammonia at 298 Kelvin are this much and this much. So this is kilojoule and this is joule. So you have to convert into joule to kilojoule. Mole respectively. The standard gives energy for the same reaction is what? So gives energy, question number 2, G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay. So delta H is minus 382.64. Okay. Minus T 298. Okay. Multiplied delta S minus 145.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3, because it is joule, so you have to convert to kilojoule. So by solving you will get delta G is equal to, you will get 339 minus 339.3. so choice B is the correct answer. Next, the enthalpy of evaporation of a liquid is 30 kilojoule. Okay, question number 3. So here, and entropy of the evaporation is this much. So boiling point is asked. So you take T is equal to Q reversible by delta S. So this is given 30 and this is 75 multiplied 10 to the minus 3. So you will get 400 Kelvin. Okay, 400 Kelvin. So choice B is the correct answer. Next, for a spontaneous reaction, in the delta G equilibrium constant K and E cell will be respectively what? So out of the choice, A is the correct answer. Okay, because delta G is negative for spontaneous and your K is greater than 1. That is, what is K? 4. Question, K is equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. So gradually products are increasing. Okay, therefore it is greater than 1, and E cell is relation delta G is equal to minus delta G NF E 0. So it is also positive. So choice A is the correct answer. Next, consider the reaction ammonia nitrogen plus 3H2 giving to ammonia carried out a constant temperature and pressure. If delta S delta U are the enthalpy and internal energy change for the reaction, which of the following expression is true? So see, your relation is delta H is equal to, question number 5, delta H is equal to delta U plus delta N RT. So for this reaction, your delta N, delta U, this is minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2 RT. Why this is minus 2? Because you are taking, this is 2 and this is 4. So 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So this is, so U is greater than H. U is greater than H. So choice C is the correct answer. Next, if the bond dissociation energy XY, X2 and X2, Y2, see, question number 6. In the ratio 1:1:0.5 and delta H of formation for the XY is this much, the bond dissociation energy for X2 will be what? You see, X2 plus Y2 giving 2XY. Okay, so here you take X half X2 plus half Y2 giving XY. So let it is X by 2 and this is X by 4 giving you X. Okay, why this is so? Why this is so? The ratio is given 1:1:0.5. So 0.5 is your this much. Y is 0.5. So delta HF formation, this is plus and this minus giving you minus 200. So by solving this, you will get minus X is equal to minus 800. So X is equal to 800. So choice D is the correct answer. Next, a reaction occurs spontaneously. A reaction occurs spontaneously if what? 7. So these are the conditions. So D, delta T delta S greater than delta H and both delta H and delta S are positive. So choice D is the correct answer. Next, the absolute enthalpy neutralization of the reaction is this. So you see magnesium oxide 2HCl, magnesium chloride H2O. So for strong acid and strong base, the value is minus 57.33 kilojoule per mole for neutralization. But magnesium oxide is the weak base. It is the weak base. Therefore, you will get less than minus 57.33 kilojoule per mole. So it is choice D is the correct answer. Next, delta HF for methanol is given by the chemical reaction. Which reaction is given? So it's the C, graphite B, graphite plus half O2 plus half plus 2H2 giving CH3OH. So these are the constituents in the elementary state and these are stable states. So choice B is the correct answer. Okay students, have a good day.